Fellow Aldi addict, it's Jackie. It's another week and I'm back at Aldi. I'm going to get my week of groceries. I'm going to stop at a few other places to round out the haul. I'm going to take you with me, and then at the end, don't forget, I'll share with you the meal plan. Let's go. Okay, we are going to have pasta one night this week for dinner, and I'm getting an Italian loaf. I'm going to get the slice because it's easier that way. $3.99. Only red sticker bread they have, but I already have a loaf of that in the freezer, so I'm going to pass. I need the salsa con queso for baked potatoes, $2.19. I need green grapes. They're $1.69 a pound. Very specific request from my vegetarians who love green grapes. Blackberries are only 99 cents at Meijer, so I'm going to wait to get those. But I'm going to get 2 pounds of strawberries at $1.95 each. They look pretty good. I don't see a price, but I need green onions, probably about 85 cents. Bananas are 45 cents a pound. I'm just gonna grab a couple of them. I'm so excited. My Aldi's starting to carry more herbs. Yay! Need Brussels sprouts for a side this week. I'm gonna roast them, $2.29. I'm gonna get a bag of mini cucumbers for $1.89. I need a dozen eggs, just running a little bit low, and we're gonna have pancakes and breakfast for dinner one night this week, so eggs are a must. $2.67 a dozen. $2.56 for a gallon of 2% milk. Again, just running low. I'm gonna get orange juice to go with our breakfast meal this week. It's $3.45. I'm gonna get 3 cans of sliced potatoes to make breakfast potatoes with our pancake dinner, 95 cents a piece. I chop these with an onion, saute them in oil, salt, pepper. So good, very easy. My kids love them. Unfortunately, the beets are gone again. They just had them. I never know if they're gonna be here or not, but I love them for salads. But I'm gonna get a can of chickpeas to put on salads this week, 81 cents. We ran out of ranch, which is a sin in my house, $3.45. We ran out of microwave popcorn. My kids and husband love this, $4.79. They have some bed rest pillows, which all sleep positions, and then they have these bolster pillows, $12.99. Oh my goodness, with the new Minion movie, look at all this cute Minion stuff. Plushes, fart blaster, water bottles, plates, so many cute things. I have a 2-cup rice cooker and compact air fryer. These seem like good dorm items. Summer plates and napkins are really cute. Nice set. Nothing that I need. Lots of cute things though. I actually think these are really cute. Little muffin pans. Silicone donut mold. $6.99 for those pans. Meal prep, food storage. I'm a big Blue Dawn fan. I bought this last time Aldi had these. Still use it every day. Love it. I actually really like this, so I'm getting it for another bathroom in our house. $2.35. It is a nice smelling soap. We have some square tissue covers, and I don't have square tissues to put in them, so my daughter pointed out to me I need to get more of these. I'm going to get 4 boxes at $1.15 a piece. I really like that one. I always think these are fun. Pink raspberry, pomegranate blueberry, blood orange, grapefruit. I think I'm going to get this one. I think I've gotten it before. I can't remember if we like it, but the bottle's really nice. $3.19. I think my family will enjoy that. I'm not getting either of these, but I bought them both before. Crispy baked coconut rolls or the lemon cookies, both really yummy. We are running low on parsley, so I need this to refill my spice jar, 99 cents. Okay, they don't have cornstarch if it's not the holiday season, I think I remember, so I need to get that from Meijer, I guess, because I can't find it here. But I do need flour, and that's $2.35. Aldi almost did me dirty. Not grabbing that one. Only I can stick a finger in my flour. My kids love plain pasta. We go through a lot of it and we're pretty much out. So I'm gonna get 3 boxes of penne and 3 of farfalle, and 1, since it's a double box of elbow macaroni. 98 cents for the 16-ounce boxes, and the 32-ounce boxes are $1.89. Also, I just realized that the farfalle is only 12 ounces and the penne is 16 ounces. It still says 16 ounces down here, but it's not. The rotini is 16 ounces, farfalle is not. So I'll actually get 3 boxes of rotini instead of farfalle because I'm seeking value here. I'm making a pecan praline sauce, so I need chopped pecans. They are $3.79. 30% off chicken. Oh, there is one 50% off, so I guess I'll get the 50% off guy. There's only one of them, the rest of them are 30, so I'm not sure why, but I'll get that. Don't even have chicken needs, but it is good for the freezer. A lot of 30% off the thinly sliced breasts and the tenderloins up here. Why did I get the only 50% off sticker? I'm not sure, but I'm taking it. I'm getting this shaved steak, $5.49, to make with veggies and some Asian Momofuku Noodles. Okay, we are getting the Southwest guac, $2.99. And then I'm also getting dill dip for $2.99. I love this stuff so much. I know someone recently told me that they took my recommendation and didn't like it. That's the first time I've ever heard it. I love it so much. I have a hard time imagining people not liking it. But I guess that's more for me. It's a loading time here, so it's kind of hard to see what's in here, but they have pulled pork or pulled beef briskets and sliced brisket up here. I can't see a price, but I think they're meant to be loaded in the cooler. Stuffed shells, lots of pizza. There's a hot honey chickpea pizza. That's interesting, $6.99. Shrimp and lobster bakes, veal patties. They have the Pez lemon bars, different sorbets over there. The sorbets, $3.99. Minion bars, lots of Minion stuff here. They have these were here last week. They have different smoothie blends. Ben & Jerry's are $4.68. And lots of ice creams, but I'm blocked here. I had a problem with my camera, but I wanted to show you guys these goofy nuggets that look like sports balls. I thought they were super funny looking. Did not buy them. They have these. This is new, or I haven't seen it here. Cookie dough bites from Ben & Jerry's. Now, I've bought these before. They are so good. I like the sugar cookie or the peanut butter cookie ones. But if you're ever looking for a little snack, these are yummy. $4.59. I almost let myself down because I almost forgot blue cheese. I've been wanting this. I love it on salads. It's so good. $2.99. Okay, I'm getting broccoli to steam for baked potatoes, $1.15. And I'm going to get this for when I stir fry veggies for the Momofuku Noodles, $1.15. Okay, well, here is my cart. Any guess on my total? Okay, so I just spent $86.63 at Aldi, and now we're going to head to Menards for just a few items, and then Meijer for a few, and then go home. I'm at Menards for a few cleaning items and 1 baking supply, so I thought, why not take you in with me? Getting a tub and tile cleaner by Zap. This stuff works amazing. I'm actually going to grab 2 just so that the next time we run out, I have some on hand. Also, I think Shout is a great stain remover, and we're almost out, so I'm going to get a refill, $5.98. I'm also getting a can of glass cleaner for $2.48. I always like to get my vanilla here because it's a pretty good value by comparison, and I'm going to get this pure vanilla from Watkins. Okay, my total at Menards is $32.36. That vanilla was $16, which I almost pooped my pants when I saw that. I didn't think the $5.99 was right, but I didn't think it was that off. I don't know if maybe in the past we bought it on sale or if prices, just like all the other groceries, have gone up, but that was more than I thought it would be. Last stop of my weekly haul is Meijer to get a few things that I can't get at Aldi, or they're better priced here. Blackberries, as I mentioned, are 99 cents here, so I'm going to get 4 of these. My kids love blackberries. Okay, Ben & Jerry's is on sale 2 for $6, and or it's on sale 2 for $8, and if you clip an M Perks, it's 2 for $6. So I'm gonna get both of these. Chunky Monkey, one for me, one for my husband. We like to have these every once in a while after kids go to bed, and sales are a good time to buy them. Okay, cocoa wheats. My son asked me to get this. Him and my husband like to have cocoa wheats or cream of wheat for breakfast on weekends. $4.89. Okay, I need pumpkin to make pumpkin pancakes, $1.69. Right across from the pumpkin is the cornstarch, $1.99. Well, this magic shell was not on my list, but it's on sale and it was right in the bacon aisle, so I'm grabbing it, $2.49. Okay, here is my basket here. Any guess on the total? Okay, the total at Meijer was $21.02. So now we gotta go home, unpack, and I'll share with you the meal plan for the week. Okay, so tonight we are having baked potatoes for dinner. This was my vegetarian's request, and we actually have burgers left over from this weekend when we had friends come over. So anyone that wants burger can have that. Tuesday we have a late doctor's appointment, so we are picking up pizza on the way home, and we'll have salads with that. Wednesday, I'm making pumpkin pancakes with a praline sauce. Normally, this is more of a fall and winter dinner, but my son, when we had the strawberry pancakes a few weeks back, said that that sounded really good to him. I'm also going to make breakfast potatoes. We'll have toast. Very yummy dinner. Thursday, my older daughter Mila also requested pasta with red sauce and Brussels sprouts, and then I have Italian bread to go with that. Friday, we're going to my in-laws' house to celebrate my mother-in-law's birthday, and she actually said I don't need to bring anything, so I'm bringing nothing. Saturday, we're having steak with Momofuku Noodles and stir-fried veggies. And then Sunday, we're going to have leftovers. Now, some of these meals might bounce around a little bit based on how our week goes, but this is what our plan is. If you want to see a very old video where I make pumpkin pancakes, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.